if you think about it, man, every situation that you done been through, that you feel like was just so bad, that you feel like was just so fucked up, that you feel like, damn, man, I ain't gonna never get through this shit. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get through. Like, you know, yeah, think about it. Look at those situations, you know, and they felt like the worst shit at the time, but look at it now. You look back on it, you know, it wasn't big as it, you know, it wasn't terrible as you made it seem, you know what I'm saying? Even if it was something real terrible and traumatic, you still made it through. You still here. You still going. So don't fucking stop. Keep on going. Don't let that be. Don't let everything that you done been through. Don't let that be in vain.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.
What's good, people? Back with another video. So, you know, it's about that time to let you know what's on my mind. I'm gonna keep it real short and sweet today, man. If you going through it, you know, you feeling like things ain't working out for you, you know, you want to quit, you want to give up, let me tell you something. Don't you dare. That man cutting up on that motorcycle, hitting wheelies and all, he feeling good. Look, don't you dare thinking about giving up on your damn self, man. Ever. I don't care how bad it get, how bad you feel right now, whatever you going through, you know, don't give up. You got to keep on going. You got to keep on moving, man. Because one thing about it, if you woke up and you breathing, you know, you still here for a reason. Because once your time over with, it's over. You know what I'm saying? It's over with. You know, so the very fact that you still alive, you still breathing, no matter what your circumstances is, no matter what you going through, no matter what you feel like, you know what I'm saying? You need to be thankful for that, and thankful that you got breath to work on changing and enhancing and bettering whatever circumstance you might be in, man. Like I said, man, no matter how bad you feel it is, you know, don't you ever fucking think about giving up on your damn self, man. Ever. You know, I'm telling you, like, from personal experience, I've been through some shit. Everybody done been through some shit. You know, that's what life is about. Life is about going through shit. You know, I had some shit. If I would have looked at it the wrong way, go on today, you know, it would have made me upset. If I was tripping like that, but I wasn't tripping, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't no big deal. You know, you can't allow nothing to get to you. You can't really allow nothing to waver your faith in yourself at the very least, you know what I'm saying? Faith in yourself and faith in spirit, you know what I'm saying? Or faith in the universe or God or whatever you want to call it. The universal energy that governs everything, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, and if you got faith in spirit, then you gonna have faith in yourself, you know what I'm saying? And vice versa, you know, because they coincide, you know, they coincide. And you know, if you think about it, man, every situation that you done been through, that you feel like was just so bad, that you feel like was just so fucked up, that you feel like, damn, man, I ain't gonna never get through this shit. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get through. Like, you know, yeah, think about it. Look at those situations, you know, and they felt like the worst shit at the time, but look at it now. You look back on it, you know, it wasn't big as it, you know, it wasn't terrible as you made it seem, you know what I'm saying? Even if it was something real terrible and traumatic, you still made it through. You still here. You still going. So don't fucking stop. Keep on going. Don't let that be. Don't let everything that you done been through, don't let that be in vain. You know what I'm saying? Do not let that be in vain, because when you give up, then, you know, everything you went through in vain. If you're gonna fail forward. If you're gonna experience pain, then let the pain be for a reason. You know what I'm saying? Don't just go through shit just for the hell of it and then just punk out at the end and just give up and let that be the end of it. You know, no, you don't want to do that. Keep going and get something from it. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna go through shit, you're gonna go through pain, you're gonna go through hardships, then keep going and keep on moving through it so you can at least get something from it at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? when it's all said and done. Cause like I said, the circumstances that you experienced before in your life that you felt like just was the worst shit. You know, you gotta look at it, man. You made it through. No matter how you made it through, you know what I'm saying? You made it through. You know, you probably came kicking out that bitch with, you know what I'm saying? You got scrapes and burns and sores, and you know, you probably lost limbs or anything, whatever, you know, cuts, you know what I'm saying? Shot, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? Whatever those situations did to you, you still made it through, regardless of how you came out on the other end. You came out on the other end, man. And you know, and you want to keep on striving, just to keep on going, to keep on being better, and keep on, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, just gaining something from the experience. You know what I'm saying? Gaining as much as you can from the experience, gaining the knowledge, gaining the wisdom, and gain the tenacity, and build up your strength, man. So the next time you do encounter something, it ain't that big of a deal. You know what I'm saying? It just be the fear of the unknown that begin to us. You know what I'm saying? The fear of what could happen. You know what I'm saying? But you got to take that fear and flip it to, you know, not the fear, but the opposite of that. You know what I'm saying? You got to look at it, instead of what could go wrong, look at what could go right. You know what I'm saying? Look at all the things that could go right, you know, with whatever situation that it is that you're going through, man. You know what I'm saying? So keep your head up. Don't you dare fucking give up on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Even if it ain't nobody else to tell you, you know what I'm saying? Or even if it ain't nobody else to rely on, you know, and you just relying on yourself, you feel like you ain't got nobody else, then, you know, that's cool. Because at the end of the day, ain't nobody got nobody but they self. At the end of the day, really, for real, we were born this bitch alone. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna live here alone. You know what I'm saying? You, as a singular person, came into this existence, you know, by yourself. Even if you was a twin, you weren't born, you weren't born at the exact same time. You know what I'm saying? You came here and you came here by yourself, and you don't share life with your twin, even if you a twin. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you don't share life with nobody. Your life is nobody but your own, and you're responsible for how it turned out. You're responsible for everything that happened in it, regardless of if it's your fault or not, because you're the only one that can do something about it. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to throw that out there, man. Don't you dare fucking think about giving up, man. Giving in. Keep on going, man. You're gonna go through hardships anyway. You know what I'm saying? You might as well get something from it, man. So whatever it is that you're working on, whatever it is that you're feeling, you know, keep your head up and keep on moving, man. And just want to say that to whoever need to hear it, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell, drop some bars, drop me some comments. Now I'll respond back to you at my earliest convenience, man. Other than that, stay on your grind. You know what I'm saying? Don't let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. You know what I'm saying? And never give up, man. Until next video, I'm out of here. Peace, love, gone.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain in this day. Searching for fortune.